Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss some more important reactions, okay, which is very helpful in doing conversion type questions or predict the product type questions. So first we'll start with the halogen preparation, okay. So this can be prepared from alcohol, from hydrocarbons, alkene, alkane, okay, then by halogen exchange reactions. So first we'll start with the preparation from preparation from alcohol. Now alcohol goes one or two reactions you have already done while doing name reaction or while doing your distinction of the functional group. So alcohol, so whenever this is treated with Lucas reagent, what is Lucas reagent? Your zinc chloride and HCl, what happen is your OH will get replaced by Cl, right? So you will get is alkyl chloride and water, भयो. So त्यसरी नै again this alcohol हामीले treat गर्नु सक्छ phosphorus trichloride, okay. Phosphorus trichloride, then what happen is you will get again here also OH लाई replace गर्छ Cl ले and you will get is S3PO3. त्यहाँदेखि again so trichloride सँग react गर्छ, so pentachloride सँग react गर्छ, it will give the same main product, like you will get is halochloride alkane, हैन, chloroalkane, then product हुन्छ your PCO3, POCl3 and HCl भयो. So again यहाँ पनि OH replace भएको छ. Now अर्को छ तिम्रो again ROH. So when this is treated with like halogen catalyst red phosphorus, okay, then के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि और Cl2 यो Br2 or I2 को कुरा हुन्छ, okay, I2. Then what happen is like again OH will get replaced by Br, okay, so you'll get product like R, Br or I, okay, and your byproduct. The next तिमीहरुको right, so the next is like your alcohol. So this is like preferred reaction in order to convert your alcohol to halide, so reacting it with thionyl chloride, so we'll get is like again, okay, haloalkane, then plus we'll get byproduct as sulfur dioxide and water, HCl. Now since these two byproduct are gaseous in state, so which can easily be removed, so that means in from this reactions we'll get is like a pure form of your halide. So whenever conversion, okay, so these are the main preferred reaction in order to convert alcohol to halide. The next is, now let us discuss some examples. Suppose we have CH3, CH2, CH2OH. So this is propanol. Okay. Now when this is treated with thionyl chloride, so what is the product? Okay. So nothing will change in the alkyl group. Only the thing changes OH. OH will get replaced by Cl. So we'll get is CH3, CH2, CH2 and Cl as a major product. Okay. Again, so CH3, CH3, OH. Now this is your like 1-methyl, okay, propane, ethane, 1-ol. So when this is treated with your zinc chloride HCl, so which is Lucas reagent, right? What happened is like again OH will get replaced by OH, so we'll get Cl, so we'll get is CH3, CH3 and Cl. Suppose we have like a benzene ring, OH and CH2OH. So if you treat it with like thionyl chloride or if you do chlorination, okay, using phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, then what is the product? Now see, so this OH, this is phenolic OH, so OH which is like attached to benzene ring, okay, and this is your OH which is attached to alkyl group CH2. So out of two, okay, only this one will take part in reaction. What happened like this alkyl OH, the OH which is attached to your sp2 hybridized carbon atom, okay, will get replaced by Cl. So what is the product? So there will be no change with this OH. This will remain as your phenolic OH group, okay, and we'll get is CH2Cl. So this is the product. Now next, again preparation, so can be done from alkanes, so by free radical halogenation. So you have done this in like a substitution reaction in your junior class 10. So you have done this, right? So whenever your methanol, so whenever it is treated with chlorine in presence of sunlight, then what happen is like you'll get substituted product, not only the single, but you'll get is a mixture of products. So this is free radical reaction, which is a chain reaction, right? So you'll get mixture of products. So, but what is the main product here is like hydrogen will get replaced by Cl, okay, halogen. So again, suppose we have like methane, so if ethane. Now again, if we do the same halogenation reaction, then what happens? So again, so Cl, okay, replaces one of the hydrogen atom. Now since there are two hydrogen, there are two carbon, right? So now before like predicting the product, so हामीले हेर्नु पर्यो whether the two carbon are equivalent or not, okay? So when like when we like divide this into equal half, we'll get is CH3 and CH3, right? And half will get equal half, so that means both carbon are same. So if your hydrogen get replaced by this carbon or this carbon, you'll get the same product, okay? So you'll get is chloroethane as the product. But so if we have like propane, now how many types of carbon atoms? So if you divide it into half, you will get is like CH3 and CH2, right? So this CH3, these two are same, right? Equivalent to, and the different को छ भन्दाखेरि तिम्रो यता CH2, so CH2 like B, okay? So तिम्रो B, so there are, since there are two type of carbon, so that means here we'll get two isomer product, okay? दुईटा isomer product पाउँछ. Now what are those isomer product? So एउटा in one case, okay, so from type A carbon, hydrogen will get replaced, जस्तै यहाँबाट हट्यो भने will get is CH2, okay, then Cl and CH2 CH3, okay. Then अर्को product के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि यहाँबाट replace गर्यो भने again you will get same, terminal मा छ terminal carbon equivalent हो, यहाँबाट replace गरेर यहाँबाट replace गरेर you will get is chloropropane, okay. But बिचमा replace गर्यो भने will get is CH3, then CH, Cl, then CH3, so we'll get is 2-chloropropane, okay. So तिम्रो type of like your product, number of product depends गर्छ how many types of alkanes are present in your alkane, carbon are present in alkane. Suppose if we do the reaction of CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3, so this is pentane, okay. Now again do the same reaction. Now यता के छ, so see how many types of like carbon are there. So if you divide it into half, हैन, so this CH3 and CH3, these two are equivalent, so let this be denoted by A, okay. Then next is your CH2 and CH2, so let this be denoted by B, यो B हो, okay. And third one like बीचमा को छ तिमीहरुको CH2 छ, right? So this is different, so this CH2 let this be denoted by C. So there are three different type of carbon, A, B and C. Suppose A bara, okay, suppose A bara like तिम्रो hydrogen replaced by यो A, AOA, जुनै एउटा bara निकाला, you will get the same product. So what happen is like you will get product as यहाँबाट remove भयो, so you will get is CH2, यहाँ तिम्रो Cl आउँछ, then how many, 1 2 3 कति रहेछ, तीनटा छ, okay, then CH3, this is one product. Now अर्कोमा के हुन्छ तिम्रो B बाट suppose तिम्रो carbon if it get replaced by B, okay, B बाट replace हुँदाखेरि now what product you will get? So CH3, then CH, यहाँ बाट एउटा hydrogen गयो, Cl आयो, okay, then CH2, CH2 and CH3. So this is another product when your hydrogen, okay, when it get replaced by carbon number B. र अब लास्टमा के छ तिम्रो C बाट, so C बाट replace गर्यो भने what would be the product? So you will get is like यो AB को carbon will not change at all, so CH3 CH2 नै बस्छ, and C को one hydrogen will get replaced, यहाँ एउटा chlorine आउँछ, then CH2 and CH3. So this are like, since there are 3 different type of carbon, you will get 3 different products. So this is your like free radical halogenation reaction. Okay. Then next, alkene. So again, halogen, so can be prepared from alkene by addition reaction. So alkenes, whenever we talk about unsaturated hydrocarbons, so addition reactions is main reaction is addition reaction. Okay. Now alkene ma, so you have already done this in junior classes as well, like double bond. When your X, when you add it, then what happen is, like, whenever one molecule add uncha, okay, one bond break uncha at the cost of one bond, and two like molecule, if it add in the molecule like in a compound, then 2 bond will break. Then he like see, double bond will break and carbon will have single bond now, and तिम्रो addition मा को आयो भन्दाखेरि H, एउटा carbon मा H जान्छ, अर्को carbon मा X. Symmetrical छ, no problem, but if it is unsymmetrical one, okay, अब unsymmetrical हो भने like problem हुन्छ. Now तिम्रो कहाँ गएर बस्नु, हाइड्रोजन कहाँ जानु, your halogen कहाँ जानु, right? So like rule follow गर्नुपर्छ, and that rule is like addition product, okay, addition product follow Markovnikov's rule. Now what is this rule? So this you have already done in 11. Okay, यहाँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि like your hydrogen will go to that carbon which contain maximum number of hydrogen, okay, and halogen, your negative part will go to that carbon atom which contain least number of hydrogen atom. दुईटा बाट कुनै एउटा बाट याद गर्नु भइहाल्छ. So hydrogen बाट गर. So in case of this Markovnikov's rule, okay, तिम्रो जहिले पनि H hydrogen will go to that carbon, double bonded carbon atom, double bonded carbon atom which contain maximum number of hydrogen atoms. So this is what your Markovnikov's rule is. Okay. Now suppose, for example, if we have like propene, what is propene? CH3 CH double bond CH2. So this is propene. Okay. Now propene ma so if we do the reaction HI, so if your addition molecule is HI, then timro, like there are 2 double bonded carbon atom, कुन कुन हो, यो दुईटा हो हैन. यो दुईटामा अब के जान्छ, तिम्रो हाइड्रोजन जान्छ, एउटा अर्कोमा जान्छ तिम्रो आयोडाइड. सो फर्स्टमा तिम्रो यहाँ हाइड्रोजन गयो भने, यहाँ हाइड्रोजन गयो भने के हुन्छ तिम्रो, यु विल गेट इज लाइक CH3 CH2 and single bond CH2 र यताको आउँछ I आउँछ, र अर्कोमा suppose H, if it goes to this carbon atom, then we'll get is CH3 CH मा जान्छ तिम्रो I, then single bond and CH3. So these two are the products. So you'll get is isomer. So single product paundana, you'll get isomer, but among the two, okay, one will be in measure amount and one will produce in a measure amount. बेसी अमाउन्टमा हुन्छ, एउटाको के हुन्छ कम्ती अमाउन्टमा हुन्छ. अब यो छ सपोज, नाउ दिस इज लाइक तिम्रो यो प्रडक्टमा लाइक यो हाइड्रोजन तिम्रो के जान्छ अकर्डिङ टु Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule के भन्छ, सो तिम्रो प्रडक्टमा सो देयर हाइड्रोजन विल गो टु द्याट कार्बन एटम विच हेभ म्याक्सिमम नम्बर अफ हाइड्रोजन एटम, राइट. सो यो कार्बनमा कति रहेछ, दुईटा हाइड्रोजन, एन्ड इफ यु टक अबाउट दिस कार्बन, हाउ मेनी आर देयर, ओन्ली 1 हाइड्रोजन छ. सो यहाँ दुईटा छ, यहाँ एउटा छ. सो हाइड्रोजन नाउ विल प्रिफर टु गो एन्ड फर्म बन्ड विथ दिस कार्बन. सो एट द एन्ड प्रडक्टमा CH3 हुनुपर्छ. सो दिस इज द प्रडक्ट नाउ विच विल फर्म इन major amount, and this is the product which will form in minor amount. Okay, now suppose we have cyclohexane with CH3, and again if you do the same reaction, right, now which one is your, so identify gara kun chai carbon ma like addition will take place. Okay, these two are the carbon where addition reaction take place. Bhayo abo पहिला त्यहाँदेखि नेक्स्ट इज लाइक तिम्रो हाइड्रोजन कति छ, कम्ती छ, बेसी छ, त्यो आइडेन्टिफाई गर्नु पर्यो. अब जस्तै यो कार्बन भयो, दिस इज CH3, okay, double bond. So your carbon ko, if you count the covalence, एउटा दुईटा तीनटा चारटा, so यसको चारटा छ, okay, so that means it does not have any hydrogen. Now यो carbon मा के हुन्छ 1 2 and 3 छ, carbon को अझै एउटा हुन्छ, that means अझै 1 is your hydrogen. Okay, now यो carbon मा there is no hydrogen. Okay, there is like 0 hydrogen, र यता कति छ तिम्रो 1 hydrogen छ, so this carbon have maximum hydrogen compared to this one. Now hydrogen iodide मा like reaction कस्तो हुन्छ तिम्रो, reaction कस्तो हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि like product, major product, we'll write down the major product only. Okay, double bond will break. Now here your hydrogen is more, like यहाँ तिम्रो एउटा hydrogen थियो, अझै एउटा hydrogen आउँछ, right? And पहिला यहाँ this is your methyl group and को हुन्छ अब यता I, so you will get is, so यसलाई हामीले यसरी पनि लेख्नु सक्छ, hydrogen no need to show, so एउटामा CH3 हुन्छ अन्त एउटामा के हुन्छ I हुन्छ, so 1 iodo, okay, 1 methyl cyclohexane is the product. ठीक है sir? So Markovnikov rule, hydrogen will go to that carbon which contain maximum number of hydrogen atom. If same reactions, okay, same reaction like propene को कुरा गरौँ, like CH3 CH double bonded CH2 and HI. Now if this HBr, okay, instead of HI peroxide HBr मा react गर्छ बेसी जस्तो. Now like HBr छ, okay, HBr, then suppose if you use like peroxide here, now in presence of peroxide your addition will follow. Now addition follow anti-Markovnikov rules. Okay, okay, in absence of peroxide, like Markovnikov rule is what, like hydrogen will go to that carbon which contain maximum number of hydrogen, right? Now यो अब एन्टीमा के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि, so same thing, the hydrogen now will go to that double bonded carbon atom which contain least number of hydrogen atom. Now these are the two double bonded where your addition takes place, right? Now यहाँ जस्तै यो this carbon have 1 hydrogen, this carbon have 2 hydrogen, the reaction is taking place in presence of peroxide, that means product अब के हुन्छ B. Now H will go to this carbon which contain less hydrogen and your Br will go to this carbon which contain more hydrogen. So what is the product? So you will get CH3 CH, then यहाँ को आउँछ your H आउँछ, so पहिला एउटा छ, again 1 add हुन्छ and you will get is CH2 Br, so you will get chloropropane bromo, okay, propane in major amount. Okay, again, okay, suppose if this same reactant but in presence of peroxide, what happens again? Okay, so तिम्रो दुईटा carbon छ, double bonded carbon, right? So one double bonded carbon have like यहाँ छ यो, this carbon have like no hydrogen, यता hydrogen number 0 छ and this hydrogen यता कतिवटा छ 1 छ, so here is less, so Br in presence of peroxide will go and form bond with with this carbon and your I will go to this carbon. So product तिम्रो के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि cyclohexane, this is your methyl and here hydrogen will come, this is methyl and यो केसमा को हुन्छ तिम्रो bromine, okay, and hydrogen. So simply you can write this as like CH3 and Br. Okay, so this is like your 1 bromo and 2 methyl cyclohexane. So like in presence of like peroxide, what happen is like the reaction, whatever product you'll get, okay, जुन चाहिँ अब like in presence in absence of peroxide जुन चाहिँ measure मा पाउँछौ त्यही presence of peroxide मा you'll get that in like minimum amount. ठीक है sir? So these two are the examples. Now next is like addition of your halogen in your again double bonded alkene, your alkenes. So suppose if you have a carbon-carbon double bond, if you like if you react it with your halogen, okay, in your solvent, Then what happen is like just the agi HBr adverb double bond triple bond means there will like addition will take place. Okay, so you will get is Br here, so no problem because timro jun chai add hundais both are same atom, right? Suppose you have CH3 CH2 double bond CH then CH2. If you do like react it with bromine in carbon tetrachloride, what happens? You will get is like dibromo substituted product. So यहाँ पनि bromine आउँछ and CH2Br. These are the product. Okay. Now again, so if you do bromination using carbon tetrachloride, product is like this carbon bonded, both double bonded carbon. Okay. Here your addition of bromine will take place. Now next तिमीहरूको like we have just done preparation of haloalkanes. Like now next is preparation of haloarenes. So haloarenes ko preparation from hydrocarbon again by electrophilic substitution reaction. So hydrocarbon electrophilic, like electrophile will attack your benzene ring. So this is your benzene. Now if you do the reaction, like if you need to like substitute hydrogen by bromine, okay, or any halogen, then the reaction has to be take place in dark. Okay, so suppose we are doing bromination, so we'll use reagent as ferric chloride and dark reaction. So what happen is like your okay, so so one of the carbon will get one of the hydrogen will get replaced by bromine and you will get is bromo. Okay, benzene, again the same thing. So if it's derivative, like if it is your toluene, if you do the same reaction, then like so again you see, so if any like substituent is already there in benzene ring product, okay, so product will be decided like what product you will get will be decided by the group which is already there, okay, in benzene ring. Now ke cha eta CH3 cha. Now CH3 is what? It is ortho para directing group, right? So we have done this in previous class. So ke huncha bhandakheri, now this CH3 cha bhanepachi orthoma you will get two isomer in one isomer. Okay, so this thing bromine will come and form bond with ortho carbon, and in other case, okay, you will get is para isomer. Then again like so electrophilic substitutions, again like this preparation of haloarenes, we have done one NEM reaction and that is your Sandmeyer reaction, right, and Gattermann reaction. So त्यहाँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि your diazonium salt, right? So if you remember diazonium salt छ, so this diazonium salt like treat गर्छ cuprous chloride या cuprous bromide, then we'll get is like whole and 2Cl group will get replaced by bromine or chlorine respectively. Okay, so again this is another like method of preparations of haloarenes, right? Now so after preparation, like we can prepare we have done like preparation of haloalkanes from alcohol, from hydrocarbon. Okay, then next like so how your haloalkanes react, like bond with that polar nature and all will like I'll do that in separate class. So since here we are doing only the reaction, so I'll be focusing only on the reaction part. Okay, now like your haloalkanes, it will undergo three reaction. One is nucleophilic substitution, elimination reaction, and reaction with metal. So first we'll start nucleophilic, and this nucleophilic is very very important. So SN1 SN2 is there, right? So again for that topic, so I'll make a separate video. So here I'll be focusing on like reactions only. Okay, so nucleophilic reaction. Okay, so your halide, so when this is treated with sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, aqueous, so this is very important. Aqueous, what happened? Your X will get replaced by OH, you will get alcohol. Okay, again, so your halide, so when this is treated with sodium iodide, okay, your dry acetone, you know, Finkelstein reaction, you will get iodoalkane. right? Your alkane, your again haloalkane. So when this is treated with your amine, ammonia, okay, what happen is like one of the hydrogen will get replaced by R. So you will get is like, this is again uncontrolled reaction. So you will get is again R2NH. Okay, finally you will get quaternary salt, ammonium salt. So RX. So when this is treated with KCN, alcoholic, what happen is like your X will get replaced by CN. So R, CN. So this are important. So you will get one reasoning type questions here also. So again, RX. So instead of using KCN, if we use AgCN, okay, what happen is like instead of getting cyanide, this is cyano, cyanide or nitrile. So what happen is like you will get NC, isocyanide. Okay, so both have CN, but in case you will get RCN, in another case you will get RNC. Okay, this is important. So you will get reasoning type question here. So again, RX, okay, KNO2. So what happen is like you will get is RONO, okay, nitrite to O. Then again, if we use AgNO2, the product is RNO2. So for this two, okay, the reason are same. These two are important. So you'll get questions in reasoning type question. Okay, now next again RX. So if you do like reacted with lithium aluminum hydride, so this is like a strong reducing agent. Okay, this is strong reducing agent and it will reduces your halide to hydrocarbon. So X will get replaced by H. Your reducing agent important chai, yo yaad rakhnu paryo timale. Okay, then these are the important reactions so that you need during conversion or during like so complete the following type question. Okay, so let us do some example. Suppose we have CH2, okay, then Cl plus, if you react it with KCN, alcoholic, what happens? So this is very important. See, this is important in terms of like conversion also. Okay, so you'll get like Cl will get replaced by Cn. So CH3, CH2, CH2 and Cn. Okay, again if we have CH3, CH, then OH, CH3. If we do like reacted with sodium hydroxide, aqueous. So this aqueous, yaad rakhno, aqueous, then what happen is like OH, sorry, this is your Cl, okay, Cl will get replaced by OH. You will get alcohol, CH3, CH, CH3, then OH. See, this is important, very important. Okay, then again CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2 and OH, then AgNO2. So what is the product? Nothing will change. OH will get replaced by NO2. So product is CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2 and NO2. Okay, sir? Important one. Okay. The next on the Marco 1, it undergo like haloalkane, it undergo elimination reaction. And here orko chati Marco like nucleophilic, we have done with nucleophilic reaction. Okay, then next is elimination reaction. So elimination reaction again important. So elimination means there will be like removal of some small molecules. अब को निस्किन्छ, let us see. अब यता के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि this is also important. यहाँ के छ haloalkane, okay, with beta hydrogen. So we have already talked about alpha carbon, alpha hydrogen, beta carbon. I've already explained you. Okay, so alpha hydrogen is heated, like suppose your haloalkane, this is your halogen. Okay, okay, so this is your halogen. Now halogens are your carbon attached, so this is alpha carbon and next carbon is your beta carbon. So a halogen, if you have like a hydrogen, beta hydrogen, okay, हैन बीटा हाइड्रोजन सो इफ इट इज हिटेड विथ alcoholic अघि aqueous को कुरा गर्यो now alcoholic potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide so alcoholic so aqueous भने reaction different हुन्छ like X will get replaced by OH if it is alcoholic elimination reaction will take place so त्यो याद गर्नु पर्यो and why भनेर reasoning question पनि आउँछ तिमीलाई okay then what happen is like alcoholic case ma so you'll get is base so base lay what it do is like base means every time it will like try to abstract proton ele proton lincha bhayo proton liyo त्यहाँदेखि कि यो के भयो bond आयो so bond now will form carbon carbon double bond now carbon को valency will carbon will have only covalency of 4 right यहाँ 5 हुँदैछ so यो this one will get eliminated so eliminate हुन्छ तिम्रो hydrogen okay and halogen so this reaction is also called dehydrohalogenation dehydrohalogenation किनभने यहाँबाट हाइड्रोजन निस्किँदैछ हेलोजन निस्किँदैछ and what is the product भन्दाखेरि you will get is like carbon carbon double bond किनभने यहाँबाट एउटा molecule removal of like one molecule will result in formation addition of one more bond right so you're a bond form so that means you will get is alkene in this case okay so suppose we have like CH3 and CH2 and Br okay so if we are doing like NaOH alcoholic aqueous so and the problem is aqueous very simple reaction will take place simply your Br will get replaced by OH but alcoholic elimination okay now so this is your bromine attached to this carbon so this is your alpha carbon and next carbon is your beta carbon okay so every time yaad garnu so beta bara hydrogen niskincha alpha bara halogen so dehydrohalogenation okay minus HBr so first beta bara hydrogen niskyo so 3 cha 1 removed so 2 hydrogen huncha then remove wire so double bond single थियो now it will have double bond यहाँ Br निस्क्यो then CH2 बस्छ so you will get is like ethene okay अब some again CH3 then CH2 then CH2 then Br plus NaOH alcoholic okay so again what happen is like this is Br then next carbon Br ko next carbon cha timarko alpha and this is beta so beta bara hydrogen niskincha alpha bara halogen niskincha so what is the product so CH3 this carbon there is no change your touch pani bhako chaina there will be no change in this third carbon CH3 बस्छ but beta बाट के निस्किन्छ hydrogen okay beta elimination भन्दैछ हैन so beta बाट hydrogen निस्किन्छ so CH then double bond alpha beta को बीचमा now double bond form हुन्छ CH2 alpha बाट को निस्क्यो bromine so minus HBr so we'll get is again alkene in this case अब sometimes like alkene मा के हुन्छ दुईटा okay so like your halogen halide might have के हुन्छ दुईटा beta carbon like suppose let us take an example CH3 CH2 okay CH then Br then again CH2 and CH3 so in this molecule so again if we do the elimination reaction alcoholic KOH okay now in this reaction के हुँदैछ तिम्रो now this is your bromine attached to this carbon this is alpha and timro next ke ho beta right so this is beta next is this one also yo pani ke ho timro beta ho